Hey, to free up RAM storage on the Windows 11, all you have to do is just to click on the taskbar with the right mouse button and then select Task Manager. Now, let me just make it bigger a little bit. There we go. And from here, you can go into the processes and take a look for the memory. Click on it with the left mouse button, and at the top, you can actually find apps, programs, and games that are using the most of your memory. So in my case, that's for example, the Xbox. I'm not using this application right now, so I can click on it with the right mouse button, and then I can click to end task. And now, as you can see, I've just freed up some space. Also, there's like still serious application that I can close, or for example, the EA application. And from here, I can manually free up the space and remove some stuff that I'm not using right now. So that's how you can do this with every application that is running in the background and taking your memory. When you take a look for the performance, you can also check the memory usage. So in my case, that's around 8 gigs of the 16. And yeah, that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.